Ryan Trahan started this month off with 1 penny in his goal to cross America in 30 days. As of recording this video right now, he is 20 days in and about halfway there. So as some inexperienced cookie and cake decorators, obviously that means we're trash, we're gonna see if we can make a penny out of cookies. Let's go.
Okay, so to make cookies, we're obviously gonna need to make cookie dough. So start off, we're gonna put a half cup of unsalted butter into our bowl. Let's cream this with a half cup of sugar. And we're gonna mix. Now we're gonna crack in 1 egg. And we're gonna give that a mix. Now we're gonna add a couple drops of vanilla. Okay, so we're gonna fold in 2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and lastly, a teaspoon of salt. Let's fold this in until it becomes a dough. This is a perfect time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us to help us get to 500 by the end of the summer. Plus, if you subscribe, you'll get notified when our 30-day series comes out this summer in August. And that series will be packed with healthy recipes that taste good as well. And you do not want to miss that, trust us. So we're gonna separate about a fistful of our dough on the right side and the rest on the left side. The left side is gonna be our penny and the right side is gonna be the numbers on it. And we're gonna color it. We're gonna try to make some brownish red. We're gonna add some red and just a little bit of green. Perfect. And let's mix that up. Okay, so let's add our black food gel to our smaller piece of dough just to make the writing on the penny. Okay, so we're gonna be using a water ball to roll this out because we forgot where bait is and we don't have a rolling pin. So here we go. Okay, so we're gonna carve out our penny here. Here you go, Ryan. So we're gonna bring the best one we can ever make, place it on the penny. Oh ho ho. Now we're gonna place the scent onto our penny. Let's pop our cookies in for 10 to 12 minutes on 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
Ryan Trahan, we made you a cookie. Alright everyone, really hope you enjoyed watching. We had a blast making this cookie and it was really fun. I think we did a pretty good job for not really being the best at cookie decorating. If you want to help us get to our summer goal of 500 subscribers, then please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Other than that, we'll see you in our next video.